Have you ever wondered how to make money online through affiliate marketing? Well, you're not alone. Affiliate marketing has become one of the most popular ways for people to earn an income online, and for good reason. It's a strategy that allows you to promote products or services from other companies and earn a commission on any sales generated through your referral. It's like being a digital middleman, connecting consumers with products or services that they may find valuable. You're not creating the product, you're not dealing with inventory or shipping, and you're not providing the service. You're simply recommending something that you believe in. And when someone makes a purchase based on your recommendation, you get a piece of the profit. It's a win-win situation. The company gets a sale, the customer gets a product or service they want, and you get paid for your efforts. Now that you understand what affiliate marketing is, let's dive into how you can get started. The first step in affiliate marketing is choosing your niche. Now you might be wondering, what's a niche? Think of it as your area of expertise or passion. Whether it's tech gadgets, beauty products, fitness training, or even baking, your niche is where your knowledge shines. It's the field you are most comfortable with and excited about. Why is this important? Because your audience is more likely to trust your recommendations if you show a deep understanding of your niche. It's not just about promoting products. It's about providing valuable insights, solving problems, and making your audience's lives better. Remember, your niche should be something you genuinely enjoy. It's going to be the center of your content creation and marketing strategies. So, choose a niche that not only has potential for profit, but also aligns with your interests and expertise. After you've chosen your niche, it's time to join affiliate programs. There are many affiliate programs that you can join, but not all are created equal. Some are more suited to certain niches than others. For instance, Amazon Associates is a versatile option, offering a vast range of products across many categories. It's a good choice if your niche is broad or you're still exploring your focus. Now, if you're leaning towards a specific sector like fashion or digital products, other programs might be a better fit. Share a Sale, for instance, partners with numerous fashion brands, while CJ Affiliate is noted for its robust digital goods catalog. And don't forget about your favorite brands. Many companies run their own affiliate programs, so it's worth checking out their websites. What's important is to choose programs that align with your chosen niche. This way, you're promoting products or services that resonate with your audience, increasing the likelihood of successful referrals. Once you've joined an affiliate program, it's time to select relevant products or services to promote. The key to successful affiliate marketing is promoting products that are relevant to your niche and creating high-quality content. As an affiliate marketer, your role is to bridge the gap between consumers and the products or services they need or desire. To do this effectively, selecting products that align with your niche and your audience's interests is paramount. You're not just a salesman, you're a trusted advisor, a guide. So always think about what would genuinely benefit your audience. Remember, authenticity builds trust, and trust drives sales. Once you've chosen the products or services you want to promote, it's time to create engaging content around them. This isn't just about slapping an affiliate link on your webpage and hoping for the best. It's about providing real value to your audience, making your content a resource they come back to time and time again. One effective way to do this is through product reviews. By sharing your personal experience and opinion, you're helping your audience make informed decisions. Be honest, be thorough, and be authentic. If there are downsides to the product, say it. Your audience will appreciate your honesty and are more likely to trust your recommendations. Another approach is creating how-to guides or tutorials. If you're promoting a kitchen gadget, for example, why not create a tutorial showing how to use it? Or if you're in the fitness niche, how about a step-by-step guide on how to incorporate a particular supplement into a diet plan? Recommendations are another great way to incorporate affiliate links. If you're an expert in your niche, your audience will value your opinion. Recommend products that you genuinely use and believe in. Share why you love them, how they've helped you, and why you think they'll help your audience too. Creating high-quality content takes time, but it's worth the investment. It not only helps drive sales, but also builds your reputation and trustworthiness. And remember, your content doesn't have to be perfect from day one. It's a learning process. As you get to know your audience better, you'll learn what works and what doesn't. Now that you've created your content, the next step is to share your affiliate links. Scene script. Sharing your affiliate links and driving traffic to your content are crucial steps in affiliate marketing. Let's first dive into how you can share your affiliate links effectively. Once you've created engaging, high-quality content, you'll want to seamlessly integrate your affiliate links. These links are your gateway to potential earnings. You might be reviewing a product, writing a comparison article, or even creating a tutorial. Within these, you can naturally incorporate your affiliate links, guiding your audience toward the products or services you're promoting. Remember, authenticity wins the day. Your audience can sense when a recommendation is genuine or just a sales pitch. Now, on to driving traffic. You've got your content and your affiliate links, but how do you get people to actually see them? There are several methods to drive traffic to your platform, each with its own set of strategies. First off, there's search engine optimization, or SEO. This involves optimizing your content with relevant keywords, meta descriptions, and tags to help it rank higher in search engine results. When your content is SEO friendly, you increase your chances of being discovered by people searching for information related to your niche. Next, there's social media marketing. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn can be powerful tools for promoting your content. Share snippets, teasers, or intriguing questions to pique interest and drive people to your website or blog. Email marketing is another effective strategy. Building an email list allows you to reach out directly to your audience, delivering your content straight to their inbox. Use this method to share updates, promotions, or exclusive content. Finally, consider other promotional strategies like running ads, collaborating with influencers, or guest blogging. The goal is to increase your visibility, reach more people, and ultimately drive more traffic to your platform. Keep in mind, these strategies don't work overnight. It's a process of trial and error, tweaking and persistence. But with time and dedication, you'll see your traffic grow, and with it, your potential to earn from your affiliate links. Now that you're driving traffic to your content, the next step is to optimize for conversions. Optimizing for conversions and analyzing your performance are key to maximizing your earnings from affiliate marketing. Now the question is, how do we do that? Let's start with improving conversions. The conversion rate is the percentage of visitors who make a purchase after clicking your affiliate link. A number of factors can affect this, including the placement of affiliate links within your content and the quality of your recommendations. For instance, if you're writing a blog post, consider placing your affiliate links in a prominent location, such as at the beginning or end of the post, or within the product review itself. The call to action is also critical. Encourage your audience to click the link and explore the product or service you're promoting. Now, on to analyzing performance. It's crucial to keep an eye on what's working and what's not. Using analytics tools, you can track which products or strategies are generating the most revenue. These tools can provide valuable insights, such as which types of content are driving the most traffic or which affiliate links are getting the most clicks. This data can guide you in refining your approach. For example, if you find that product reviews are generating more revenue than how-to guides, you might decide to focus more on creating reviews. Or you might discover that certain products are more popular among your audience than others, guiding you in your future product selections. Remember, this is an ongoing process. Continually monitor your performance, learn from the data, and adjust your strategy accordingly. And don't be discouraged if things don't go as planned initially. It's all part of the learning curve. You'll get better as you gain more experience and understanding of your audience's preferences and behaviors. In the end, your goal is to create a win-win situation, providing valuable content for your audience while earning a commission for your efforts. Finally, let's talk about compliance and diversification in affiliate marketing. Compliance, diversification, and building trust are important aspects of affiliate marketing. It's essential to stay in tune with the regulations and policies of your chosen affiliate programs. Falling foul of these rules can lead to penalties or expulsion from the program, so it's worth taking the time to understand them. Diversification of your income sources is another key strategy. By promoting products from multiple affiliate programs, you're not putting all your eggs in one basket. This approach can help safeguard your income and provide a more stable financial base. Building trust with your audience is the cornerstone of successful affiliate marketing. This means providing honest, unbiased reviews and recommendations. If your audience trusts your opinion, they're more likely to follow your recommendations, and that's where the real money is made. By following these steps and staying up to date with industry trends, you can be successful in affiliate marketing.